Welcome to the art of traditional matcha preparation. We begin by unfolding the Fukusa, a special silk cloth used for the ritual purification of the tea utensils, symbolizing purity and respect. Next, the tea bowl is gently purified. Once cleansed, 2 scoops of vibrant green matcha powder are carefully placed inside, ready to be whisked. Hot water is poured in with deliberate, precise movements. This process is more than just making tea, it's a practice of mindfulness and tradition. Using the bamboo whisk, whisk briskly in a quick M or zigzag motion until a rich, creamy froth forms on the surface. Lift the whisk straight up to preserve that perfect foam. Now it's time to experience it firsthand. Gently whisking the tea brings out its rich, harmonious flavor. Your traditional matcha tea is ready. Pair it with a slice of Yokan, a sweet Japanese red bean treat, for the perfect balance. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.